Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Sumul's entry likely to cut off half of Goa Dairy's milk supply. Societies from Kankona, Kepe, Sange, Satari contribute 45% supply. Dairy convenes special Aam Sabha. Mandre villagers condemn CM Parsekar for denying grants to Mandre College. Charges CM of playing vindictive politics. Hold rally, police block rally halfway. Harmal locals accuse police of taking haftas from Lamanis in unauthorized trade. Tourists fleeced and cheated. Police authorities demand evidence. Prudent at ground zero. Fire breaks out in Nagoa, Verna. 70 lakh loss. Material used for wedding and birthday decoration setup gutted in fire. Fighters took almost 2 hours to control flames. And Carnival Parade in Margao without coconut theme. Vijay said Desai to launch statewide yatra against declassifying coconut tree. Margao municipality hopeful of state grants. Now the news in details. The Sumul's entry in the state milk market will likely cut off almost half of Goa Dairy's milk supply. Kankona, Kepe, Sange and Satari, now allowed for operations of Sumul, contribute to almost 45% of milk supply. Sumul is sure to take away this share. For survival, Goa Dairy will have no other option but to import more. To deliberate on the crisis, Goa Dairy has convened a special Aam Sabha on Wednesday, 10th of February. The stakeholders point fingers at the dairy's mismanagement.
Sumul claims that its entry will not affect Goa Dairy's market. However, picture on the ground is different. Sumul started sale of milk in 2013. It was supplying about 8,000 litres per day, while Goa Dairy supplies were at 72,000 litres. However, now the sale of Amul milk has tripled, touching 30,000 litres a day, rise of 22,000 and a growth of 275%. On the other side, Goa Dairy's sale is up to 90,000 litres, increased by almost 18,000 litres per day, just 25% growth. Sumul has taken over significant market from the private brands. Except Mormugoa, Goa Dairy receives 63 to 65,000 litres milk from rest 11 talukas, and from outside the state, dairy gets about 15 to 20,000 litres. Here is a taluka-wise supply. Satari tops with 13,000 litres per day, followed by Bicholim with 12,000 litres, and least with Tiswari with 500 litres of milk a day. Government has allowed 4 talukas for Sumul operations: Satari, Sange, Kepe and Kankon. These talukas supply almost 26 to 28,000 litres to Goa Dairy out of 63 to 65,000 litres of total supplied milk. That is, total 40 to 45%. This will surely affect Goa Dairy's market share. To compensate for the lost share and retain its market, Goa Dairy will have no other option but to further import the milk, which will rise its cost. While local milk supply to Sumul will help to cut its costs and prices too. With crisis in sight, Goa Dairy has convened a special Aam Sabha on 10th February. The stakeholder societies have been pointing fingers at the mismanagement and corruption in the dairy, leading to poor service and price support to the dairy farmers. Goa Dairy's performance is neither meeting the expectations of farmers, nor the government, nor the societies. Sumul has now added another chapter of competition for the Goa Dairy. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Mandre College issue has taken an ugly turn. Villagers and local leaders in Mandre have condemned CM Parsekar for denying grants to Mandre College. Leaders charge CM Parsekar of playing vindictive politics which could ruin the career of students in Mandre College. Local leaders in Mandre along with the villagers held a rally from Mandre College to Harmal. Police blocked it before it reached the CM's residence. Several local leaders have pledged their support to Mandre Citizens Committee.
आमचे अर्धे भुरगे अर्धे कमी झाले आणि तो काल प्रश्न करता विधानसभेन विचारा खंय घालपाक भुरगे कित्याक कमी झाले अरे सभाग्या तू हरमलान दुसरे कॉलेज ज्युनियर कॉलेज सुरू करता बांग घालता तू भुरग्यांच्या वाटेर जे भुरगे केरीच्यान तेरेखोलच्यान पारशाच्यान आणि हरमलच्यान मांद्र्या वतले त्या भुरग्यांक तुवें हांगा हाडयले आमी विचार करू आमचेच भुरगे ते खरें म्हणजे कोर्टान वचून म्हज्यान स्टे हाडूं येताली
प्रत्येक वेळा मुख्यमंत्री या भागातल्या लोकांक रस्त्यार उतरपाक लायता ही दुर्बुद्धी ताका कित्याक गेली ही ह्या लोकांक व्हडलो प्रश्न पडलो आसा एक मास्टर म्हणून म्हाका एक सांगपाचें आसा की ह्या पार्सेकराक क्वॉलिफिकेशन आसत पूण ताका एड्युकेशन ना एड्युकेशन हे काळजाण आणि मनान असता हो जी बोण आसलो तो फक्त पगार घेवपाक सहज सस्ता एक राजकीय स्टंट म्हणून ते खलपाचे बेजार जावन तूं अनुदान बंद करता हेची व्हडली कपासता तुजी अरे हो मास्तर हांव समजलो बरो मास्तर म्हणून की एका आनी खंयचीय तकली नशीब पण भुरग्यां बद्दल शाळे बद्दल कॉलेजी बद्दल बरी तकली आसतली म्हणून कित्याक तो मास्तर आनी खंयची आई तेरेखोल गांवचो गांव विकलो थंय तकली नशीब गांव विकलो म्हाका याद येता हांवें स्पोर्ट्स सिटी करता म्हूण सांगली तेन्ना म्हाका म्हणपाक लागलो बाबू झाडाक काबार करता म्हणून आज तेरेखोल गांवची झाडाची कत्तल जाता कितली झाडां तुवें मेजली झाडां मेजली काय पयशे मेजले
Harmal police are in the news yet again, this time for alleged hafta collection. Locals accuse police of collecting hafta from lamanis and other sellers along the beach side. After the issue got heated up in the Gram Sabha, Prudent caught up with the locals for a ground zero report. Lamanis are into several unauthorized trades causing nuisance to the tourists. Tourists are fleeced and cheated by the fake ENT medical practitioners, while police claim to be unaware of it. Pedne PI demands evidence. Prudent reports.
सोबा वाला और पुलिस वाले
दोनों
50-50 रुपए रहता है।
This is how it works, but everything seems to be not on paper. There is no receipt, no document. Harmalka say the lamanis in business along the seashore follow the tourist every now and then. The community is also in massage business. There are fake ENT medical practitioners roaming along the sea luring the tourist.
आयज हरमल बिचाचेर जी लमाण्या भोंवतात हे हितून ग्राम सभेन व्हडलो एक विशय जाल्लो आनी हे लमाणे सगळे ड्रग्साचे व्यवहार शारीरिक संबंध आयज हो मुख्यमंत्र्याची कस्टडी खुद मुख्यमंत्री होम मिनिस्टर हा.
Locals say all this happens under the nose of police. Police allow such business against their regular haftas.
आमच्याकडे पुरावे असतात आम्ही कसल्याच गोष्टी पुराव्याशिवाय बोलना. हरमलान अशी परिस्थिती येयल्ली आसा की ते बॉन्डवाले आहात तेंचेकडलो पंचायत म्हणटा ती 20 रुपया सोपो घेता काय 50 रुपया आणि पुलिशेक ते 50 रुपया दिता.
Look what this corn seller says. Panchayat and police both approach him for collection.
और कौन कौन आपसे ये पैसा लेता है?
और कौन लेता है? सोबा वाला और पुलिस वाले
दोनों कितना
50-50 रुपए रहता है.
Locals in the area too claim to be aware about the fact.
ते आयज पुलिशेक हप्तो दितात दर पुलिसाक ते 50, 100, 200 चालूच आसा. ती सुद्धा आमचे कडेन क्लिप केल्ली आसा. ते भुरगे सस्पेंड जातले म्हणून आमी वगी रावल्या. आणि जर साहेबाक दिसता सस्पेंड नाका जावन तिथे जाल्यार आमी हाडून दाखयता ती क्लिप.
After a heated Gram Sabha over the rising number and nuisance of Lamanis, police detained 7 to 8 Lamanis at Harmal police outpost, and this is what they spoke at the outpost.
भी नहीं देते हैं. 10 साल हुआ हम लोग इधर घूमता है तभी पुलिस का पैसा नहीं देता हम लोग.
He is the same Panch who had raised the issue in Gram Sabha. He quoted a hafta figure of 80,000 rupees.
योग लमाणी 8 दिसांक 1,000 दिता. 80 लमाणी आसा बिचाचेर. हे इतले पुलिशेक हप्तो वयता.
However, Pedne PI demands evidence.
पेडणे पोलीस हप्तो घेता म्हणून किंवा PI गार्डाक हप्तो पावता म्हणून जर कितें पुरावो आसा प्लीज ऑन रिकॉर्ड हाडचो. नाजाल्यार तेणे आपूण सांगचें बाबा हो स्टेटमेंट आपूण खंयच्याय बेजीर केला तो. नाजाल्यार म्हाज्या मनात असो विचार आसा की डिफॉमेशन नोटीस ताका धाडून तेचेर डिफॉमेशन ताचेर घालची अशें म्हाका दिसता. बिकॉज
With the police authorities asking for an evidence from the locals on alleged hafta collection, it's unlikely that probe will lead to a logical conclusion. But the issue is serious as it's all happening in the constituency of Home Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar. Vilas Arolkar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.